I need the guys to spread out. Choco, come to the middle. No, come to the middle. Come to ask the ladies this question. Ladies, if you know that Nora is the most beautiful girl in the whole world, shout okay, I like the energy level. If you know that Nora, she not the rock cream but she fresh, shout yeah. Okay, please let me try the guys. Let me try my guys. Okay, guys. that Choco is an Odogu, shout wow. Let's try again. If you know that Choco will take care of Nara from today till forever, shout yeah! Okay, now this is what we're going to do. We have songs listed from number 1 to number 10. So you're going to pick a number from the song, and then the DJ will play the songs. Now this is how we'll score you. Lyrics, if you get the lyrics of the song very well, lyrics is 10 over 10. Then energy and vibe is 10 over 10. So pick a number from number 1 to number 10. Number 7. Okay, no, just come back small. It's a competition between the two of you. So, okay, DJ, song number 7. Please, can I get the second mic, please? Okay, song number 7. Sorry. Face each other. Please sing it.
Sorry, I'm not sorry. I'm not really more than yourself.
Okay, it's okay. People try. Yeah, okay. The energy is coming up. Let me, who is holding the mic for the guys? Just hold it and hold the hair. So we are coming up. So guys, pick a number. Pick number. Number 3. DJ try number 3. Song number 3. The ladies try. Let's see if the guys can match up with the energy. They can't, okay.
FC, let him come forward. Make him come forward a little bit. The person with the mic.
Wow. They will do one more song before we go to our seats. Now this final song that will decide who wins this round. So Nora, please pick a number. Pick a number. Song number 3. Okay, so you pick number 3. Number 1, DJ number 1. Say hi. Let's go. Nora, don't worry.
Don't get it twisted, love's a beautiful thing. So Jazzy,
So that's why I don't jump pretty fast. Well. I sing this song with so much energy. Okay, hold first. Hold. They will help you. I pick the number. Pick the last number.
Sorry, please. Just go this way. So that they can see them. You understand? They need to see themselves.
The bridal party.
You guys should stand one place now.
That the answer relates more to the groom, you go to the groom's back. If you feel the answer relates more to the bride, you go to the bride's back. So the bridal party will answer first before the couple will answer. So for example, if I ask who is wearing a white suit among the two of them, you guys will answer and you go to the let's experiment. So I ask who is wearing a white suit. Good. So when you're not answering, then the couple. When you're not answering the couple, you have a placard, the one written bride and the one written groom. So if I ask a question, anyone you think the answer goes to your husband, you raise this one. Anyone that the answer goes to, you raise the one for the bride. So the bridal party will answer first before the couple will answer. So let's come back to the middle. Let's go back to the middle. So let's do one more experiment now. Who is wearing a white wedding gown amongst the two of them? A couple answer. Okay, good. So let's come back to the middle. So the first one.
MC.
Okay.
Stand like that. Stand like that. It's okay.
Okay. Who is a better dancer? Brother party answer. Okay, very good. We're getting it. Let's go back to the middle. Who is the foodie amongst the two of them? Who likes food very, very well? Who likes food very... the bride says it's the groom says it's the bride. Joke to Abby. Okay, let's go back to the middle. Let's go back to the middle.
Hey. Oh.
Who is likely to help the children with their mathematics assignment? Who is likely to help the children with their mathematics assignment? Choco, you go like turn your back, please see your name out. So Nora is a mathematician. Okay, beautiful. Let's go back to the middle. Okay. Who is the better cook? Who sabi cook pass? We know the dragger. Okay. And let's go back to the middle. Who is going to be the more strict parents? Which of them goes strict pass will be the disciplinarian? The no-nonsense parents. Don't look back, Nora. Don't look back. Okay. Who? The groom. Spend the rod and spoil the child. Okay, let's go back to the middle. Okay. Who is likely not to give an offering in church? Who is likely not to give an offering in church? Nobody. Okay. Who is likely to sleep off in church during service? Nobody. Okay. Who is likely to cry first during a sad movie? We know. Cry baby. Couple answer. We know. It's all over your face. Okay. Let's go back to the middle. Let me know if you guys know this one bridal party. Who said I love you first? No, I'm not going to Sabi. Couple, who said I love you first? The groom said it's the bride said it's you. So, okay. So who is the come to the middle, come back to the middle. Who is the better singer? Who sabi sing pass? Who sabi? Should we give Nora mind to sing for us? Should we give her mind to sing for us? Nora, they want to say small, 6 small songs. Any song, any song. Just blow our minds away, blow our minds away. Any song. Christian song, world new song, any song.
Praise the Lord, go, praise the Lord.
Let's see this. Well, still manage it. Okay, now this is what we are going to do. I need 4 ladies. The first 4 ladies should please just come this way. The first 4 guys, No, bros, you follow. Yeah. Please, you can clap. The rest can clap. You can have your seat. Now, you bring it down. So this is what we are going to do. This is Team Nora versus Team Choco. So please do well to represent her well. And do well to represent him well. Now, amongst the 4 of you here, you are going to choose one person who will be a singer, one person who will be a dancer, one person who will be a hype man, and one person who will be a model. So choose amongst yourself: singer, hype man, dancer, model. Hype man, model. So, who is the dancer? Dancer, singer, model, hype woman, then dancer. Okay, now this is what we're going to do. Please, my guests, I need you guys to watch, because you guys will help me call the results. So we're going to start with the singers. Please singers, step forward. They sing forward. Singer, yes. So do you want to sing a cappella, or do you want the DJ to give you a song and then you sing on that? Fast, choose. A cappella. DJ, please bring it down. DJ, bring it down. Which beat? No, just sing. Please blow our minds away. So ladies and gentlemen, I present to you, what's your name please? Chioma has traveled all over the world. She has sung in a bar in Ekiti State. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Chioma! Okay.
But I'll be alright. My head's under water, but I'll be fine.
Okay, thank you very much, Shoma. Okay, who is the singing guy? Ross, what's your name? Kenneth. Okay, let's give it up for Kenneth.
Please, face it. Any song.
An empty street, an empty heart, I hold inside my heart. It looks like it's all out. I wonder how, I wonder why, I wonder where you are. Then every time, it's all we sang together. Oh yeah, and oh. It's okay. And now let's get the results. Please, who is the better singer, the guy or the girl? Choma or Kenneth? Choma or Kenneth? Choma or Kenneth? Ladies and gentlemen, we have 1 point for the ladies. So it's 1-0. Let me be the correct results. DJ, bring it down. No, be me. And let me ask again who it is. They said they don't hear it well. Who is the better singer, Choma or Kenneth? No, I'm not talking now. Which kind of tune with this? Choma or Kenneth? Choma now. So 1 point. Okay, let's have the models. Please, the model, please step forward. The female model, step forward. The male model, step forward. So the lady started first, so the guys will start now. So please, content creators, go back. Go back. No, the lady started first, so the guys will start first. Mona, go back. So you walk down to that point and then come back. So please, you guys should watch, so we'll not have a confusion. So DJ, give us a song you can walk to. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for this model. He has gone to London, he has done Paris Fashion Week. Let's give it up for, what's your name? Kingsley, DJ. DJ Thrive. I've been a master for something. Let's go! Kingsley! Please, who walks better? Kingsley or Ella? Kingsley or Ella? Ladies and gentlemen, 2 points for the ladies. 2-0. So wait, it's not me. So but wait, now you still have a chance to redeem yourself. We have 2 more points. 2 more points. So please, the hype women, the hype woman and the hype man.
He is the Walk Party Remedy, Uncle Nice DJ Try.
DJ, wait. Let the hype people go last, let the dancers come. The dancer, please come. So, say don't lose. You know Sami dance. So can you bring another person from the group? Wait. Who is the dancer? Who? Oh, what they say you can't represent them for dance. DJ, give us a very good danceable song. Face each other, face each other. What's your name, sir? What's your name? So we have a G. Let's go. 1, 2, go. I get no sleep. I don't know let's give it a G-job. I don't know let's give it a G-job. I don't know let's give it a G-job. Give it a G-job. Give it a G-job. So between Emeka and Chidi, who is the better dancer? Emeka and Chidi, who is the better dancer? Emeka and Chidi, who is the better dancer? Ladies and gentlemen, 1 point for the groomsmen. Emeka, come back now. Come back. So currently it's 2-1. So the hype woman come. Now, the responsibility is on you to win this. She cannot win. DJ, give us the 5 minutes.
Hey!
I give you the mic when you hype. Okay, I didn't ask your name. What's your name, please? Jenny. What's your name? Emeka number 2. This Emeka is coming with fire again, though. See, it's dark shades. Ladies, you should be scared, though. Okay, DJ, let's go.
My nigga.
Are you proud of what you just did now? You are proud. Very, very proud. Please call yourself over 100. 100? This guy can do my practice. Okay, let me do this because I don't really like. I don't. Do we have a winner in this high competition? Okay. Do we have any guy from the crowd or any girl from the crowd that can do better? A representative for the ladies and a representative for the guys. Do we have?